Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make strawberry mojito. So let's move on to the recipe now. So I have 5 mint leaves over here. I've teared it up. I'll tear it maybe one more time, like so. So 5 mint leaves teared a couple of times, and then you put that inside into the blender. Here I have 4 to 5 strawberries that have been halved. So these go inside. Okay, so I'm going to close this up and then I'm going to blitz it. So just bear in mind that when I say blitz, I'm not blending it completely. Blitz it so that it doesn't become completely liquidy. It's got enough texture remaining. Okay, so I'm going to blitz it a couple of times. And that's how I want you to do it. Very fast. Turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, and then it'll be fine. Okay, so I have this glass here, and I have a small piece of lime. What I'm going to do is just at the tip of the glass, move this lime on top of it, and I'll show you why I'm doing this as well. So just make sure that it's got the lime. Okay, that's that. Now I'm going to get a bowl of sugar, and what I'm going to do is I want to make the tip of the glass frosty. So you get this type of frosty look. It's got the sugar all around the tip now, and it's good for, you know, the decoration. Kind of sweet as well as you're sipping it. So I've opened up the initial thing that we blitzed, which was the strawberries and the mint leaves, and I'm just getting like a tablespoon just to make sure that it doesn't disrupt the you know, the frostiness that we put around the tip of the glass. So this is a 1/3 tablespoon going in. So what I've done here is I've put in 3 tablespoons of this strawberry and mint mixture. And at this point, when you're making a mojito, you would add in, like, you know, some sugar into it. But because we have some strawberry syrup over here, and this is a strawberry mojito, I think that this will help to enhance this mojito much more than just using sugar. 1 tablespoon of strawberry syrup into this glass. That goes inside. You can add in more if you want, if you're more of a sweet person. If you don't have the syrup, or if you don't want to use this, you can use the sugar instead. Therefore, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, or like what we've done over here, 1 to 2 tablespoons of strawberry syrup, or any other sugar syrup. So you have a bit of flexibility when it comes to this. So traditionally, at this stage, you use a sugar syrup, sugar, or you can, well, what we've done over here is we've used strawberry syrup. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to use this little lime piece over here, and just be careful you don't disrupt the frosting. You want to squeeze in the lime juice. You know, mojitos go really well when, you know, you've got lime added into it. It gives it a different dimension to the taste buds when you're actually consuming this. Okay, so here so you see this small piece of strawberry. You want to just stick this inside the glass. It kind of helps with the presentation, and you just got to be careful. Once more, you know, bringing your attention to the frosting that we've done on the tip of the glass. And now we have like 5 ice cubes over here. You can have 4 to 5, 4 to 6 ice cubes, and yeah, just add these in. Just makes it more cooler, more you know, refreshing when you're having this. Just gonna place it inside. So yeah, it goes there. So we've got a couple more mint leaves over here. So just tear that in, and then you can place that inside. So this is gonna give a wonderful, you know, just different blends of flavor going inside. So here I have 7-Up available. So we've got 7-Up, you can use Sprite, anyone that is available to you. Okay, you saw how to make this wonderful strawberry mojito. It's not the most difficult thing to make. It's got a few, steps, but nonetheless very simple to make. I've got it over here with me, so let me give it a tasting. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Wah! As they say in Spanish, that is guapa. That is world class. It is so delicious, and I'm so glad that what we did was we didn't actually use sugar syrup, we used strawberry syrup. And I think that when I'm tasting this, that's really, really enhancing, and it's something that you're immediately made aware of by your taste buds. It's fresh, it's minty, it's fruity, it's perfect for the summer. So definitely give this a try. And with that said, you can view my kiwi mojito recipe over here, my pomegranate mojito recipe over here. And for a list of beverages, there's a playlist which you can view over here. There might be something over here as well.